Cybersecurity platform Vorlon has unveiled a solution that aims to protect both SaaS and AI platforms, giving leaders new capabilities like comprehensive visibility and control to manage risk and open the door for innovation. Well, Ashley sat down with the startup's co-founder and CEO, Amir, Khayat, to learn more about the work that his company is doing. Let's take a look.
Yeah, so SaaS is software as a service, basically software that is delivered via the internet, which basically the backbone of the major companies today, looking at from sales operations, from customer support, from payment. Basically, think about it as you lease a software from a vendor.
Can you give us examples of companies that are using SaaS?
So SaaS is the backbone of most companies as of today. They are leveraging for sales, for example, a CRM like Salesforce. You store all your customer base, all your opportunities, all your deal lifecycle and customer support, and that is actually connected to a bunch of other applications that are not owned by you. So if, for example, there is a vulnerability, how would you know that it came from another application?
What does Vorlon do and what problem are you aiming to solve?
Vorlon is here to help companies to secure their most important digital assets. When the business moved to the cloud and AI become everyday operations, think about cloud and AI as the new nerve system for modern organization. It handles sensitive data, triggering automated tasks, making decisions everywhere, and that's the challenge. The challenge today is that security tools that are legacy are not able to see all the data that is connected. And that's where Vorlon comes in place. Vorlon gives full visibility, clear visibility and control to all these hidden connections, helping companies to keep innovate safely and be ahead of their threats.
Can you help our viewers understand the role that SaaS and AI play inside of companies? And could we break down the different types of AI? Can you describe the difference between Gen AI and agentic AI?
Sure, yeah. I'll start with SaaS again. If we're talking about a software that you are no longer install in your own data centers, that's a challenge from a security perspective because you don't really own it. You don't know who is accessing your data, when, and how much data they actually consume from you. So this is problem number one. Now, AI is the new wave, right? And it comes with a challenge, right? When we're talking about Gen AI is a prompt. It's like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Basically, it runs on a large amount of data sets and provides you with answers, able also to write answers for you. The other flavor is agentic AI, which is an autonomous bot, which is basically your digital coworker that can take decision without supervision, without human supervision. And that become a challenge because that basically can take access, can do things without actually any supervision, and that's where companies are struggling.
Why is security for SaaS and AI such a challenge?
I'll start with SaaS. Again, when you don't deploy and install the software in your data centers, that's where you basically rely on the vendor to do security for you. Now, the AI is the new wave, and when we're talking about agentic AI, per Gartner, almost 1 every 3 companies by 28 are going to embed agentic AI in their tools, and the ones that are not are going to leverage Gen AI. And that's a problem. It's a problem because basically every person in the company can create an autonomous bot that has over-permissive access, can pull sensitive data, and it creates another entity for the security organization to maintain. And that's an exponential risk because every person, think about, Fortune 500 companies that creates more and more autonomous bot that basically very hard to secure.